Butterflies taste with their feet, every single step is like a taste test for them. When they land on a flower, tiny sensors on their legs instantly detect whether there's sweet nectar to sip or even if the plant is toxic. This means a butterfly can decide what's edible and what's dangerous just by standing still for a second. No need for mouths or tongues, their feet are packed with chemoreceptors that send flavor signals straight to their brains. Imagine walking into a room and instantly knowing what every surface tastes like, just from your footsteps. Butterflies live in a world where every landing is a chance to sample the environment, turning their travels into a non-stop tasting tour. While we have to use our taste buds, butterflies transform every flutter and pause into a sensory adventure that's way beyond our own experience. Their world is literally at their feet,